In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the journal report in QuickBooks Online. The journal report is a really useful tool when you want to see the detailed debits and credits behind your transactions, or if you're trying to trace a specific journal entry. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to filter it, step by step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation menu running vertically. From that list, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of the standard and custom reports you can run on your business data. Once you're on the Reports page, go to the search field near the top. Instead of scrolling through the whole list, it's much faster to use the search. Click into that field and start typing the word Journal. As you type, QuickBooks will automatically suggest matching reports. From the drop-down suggestions that appear, look for the report simply called Journal. Go ahead and click on that option. This will open the Journal Report screen, showing you a list of transactions in a journal-style format, organized by date and account. Before you customize anything, it's important to set the period you want to review. At the top of the report, find the Report Period dropdown. If you want to see every journal entry that exists in your file, change this to All Dates. If you're only interested in a certain time frame, like a specific month, quarter, or year, choose Custom and then set the start and end dates that you need. This helps keep the report focused and easier to read. Next, we'll refine the report so it only shows true journal entries. To do that, click the Customize button, usually found in the upper right area of the report. A customization panel will open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, look for the section labeled Filter and click it to expand more options. Under Filter, find the drop-down for transaction type. Open that drop-down and scroll until you see Journal Entry. Select that option. This tells QuickBooks you only want transactions that were created as journal entries, not all transaction types. Once you've selected Journal Entry as the transaction type, scroll down in the Customization panel and click Run Report. The report will refresh, and now you'll see only journal entries for the period you selected, laid out in a clear journal format. And that's all you need to do to find and filter the journal report in QuickBooks Online.